Hello friends and welcome back to Traveling with Ernest. Today my wifey and I got our sweet tooth going on. We are at Winton's Island Candy. Let's go inside and see what they got. If you're new here, welcome. Ooh, looks good. Here's my wifey. She got her sweet tooth going on. Hi, baby.
Okay.
Here we go. Saltwater taffy. Ooh, my love.
Which one do you like?
You want mango chili?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Here.
You're gonna notice that the things are missing.
She's gonna get some mango chili. I think I'll do some cotton candy. How many do you want? Like 3 or 4?
Yeah, like 4.
4? Gotcha. And she wants some blue raspberry. Sorry for the noise, I gotta open up the bag. What else do they have? Ooh, they got some on the other side too.
Cotton candy.
Key lime. Let me get 1. You want buttered popcorn?
Yeah. 1.
Just 1. Okay.
Yellow.
All right.
Like 3. Let's do 3. This is
Cinnamon roll. Ooh, that sounds interesting.
another 2.
Cinnamon. Eh.
Come on.
Let's see what else we got.
Black.
Oh, yeah, black licorice. Here you go.
Ooh.
Black licorice.
Red velvet. And
Red velvet cake sounds interesting.
banana.
Banana. Yeah, get a banana.
2 bananas.
Okay. It's okay. Chocolate. And they have strawberry banana.
What?
Strawberry banana.
Okay.
Got 2 strawberry bananas. We're having fun. We're gonna have our sweet tooth going on. We're gonna be in a sweet tooth coma.
What else?
I don't know. Let's just see. Ooh, pickle in a pouch. You want a pickle? Ooh, look at the rattlesnake. That's a big ass rattlesnake. That's cool.
Tienen diferentes sabores, está todo y aquí a la vuelta, están buenos.
Oh, gummy snake. Interesting. 36-inch long. This place is right across the street from the Islander. Isn't that a cool snake?
I like that
The bird cage?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the marionette.
No.
Speckled trout. We're getting our sweet tooth going on. We got our saltwater taffy. That's one thing we love. Gummy worms. Sour gummy worms. They charge you by the pound.
sour, right?
Hmm?
These are sour.
Berry blue candy belt.
I remember they used to make it in straws.
Okay.
Okay. Wow, they got some old signs and stuff here. Franklin Roosevelt, wow. Judd Roy Bean. I've actually been to there.
This thing scare
Hmm?
me. That thing scare me.
This looks fun, right?
Soda bar.
Oh yeah.
Decoration.
Jazz it up. Winton's Island Candy.
I think I like the cocoa. Wow.
Oh my God. Not right now, but thank you. It just looks delicious. Just everything. Peanut and chocolate caramel.
We want this one in a bag.
Yeah, just put the whole thing in a bag.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah.
Mix them all up, right?
You're right. Just pack it up.
Dark chocolate peanut caramel, and then you have pecan caramel and walnut caramel.
This is sugar free.
Oh, all sugar free?
Peanuts.
Please do not touch. Ask for assistance. Okay.
Yeah. Sugar free.
We're just looking around, making a video if you don't mind. You don't mind me doing a video, right?
That's fine.
Okay. You want to try one of the sugar-free taffies? See how they taste?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you can just put it in there.
This is what I grew up with, is the one, and it had a white stripe down the middle. There it is.
I don't know what flavors they are.
Exactly. So.
Maybe this will be like blue raspberry or something.
Okay.
Okay, we can put it probably in there. There's my nephew. He's got his sweet tooth going on.
There's always somebody in grade school who's
How long have y'all been here?
30 years.
30 years?
A little over. Isn't it? We had a different location before, but this store has been open 30 years.
Wow. I've been coming down here and I've never even known y'all were here. But I'm not a big sweet tooth, so like I didn't even know the chapel on the dunes was over there.
Oh, really?
So
Sí, el bebé de los primeros del carrito son los que más nos.
¿Viste los que tienen aquí en el lado?
Ah,
Right.
ay, perdón.
So awesome.
Do you know how many total?
I'm sorry, I thought that was your costume. It's all about the candy. All right, everybody.
I know, what I came in.
Yes. Ooh, tiramisu.
That was like,
Sisa.
I didn't really get it.
You know?
You want a tiramisu?
No, because the door's like, yeah, I was watching on the camera. It's really busy in here. I
Okay.
think from like help us out.
Tiramisu
I know, I texted Karen
and
when we were
sisal.
running late, and she was like, oh, okay.
Excuse me. Tiramisu?
A tiramisu chocolate? Do you want milk or dark chocolate?
Huh?
Do you want milk or dark chocolate?
I don't know. Which one do you want, baby? Milk or dark chocolate?
Dark chocolate.
Dark.
Yeah.
Was there anything else I could get for you?
You? The tiramisu. You want another one?
Let me do a toasted coconut.
Do you want milk, white, or dark chocolate?
Huh?
Milk, white, or dark chocolate?
White chocolate.
Was there anything else I could get for you?
No, that'll do. Yeah.
Another one with the sea salt.
Do you want dark chocolate?
Dark.
Were you ready to check out?
Almost.
Okay, I can hold this up here for you.
Okay, I have this one too. We're still going to be walking
I
around.
can hold it up here.
Can I ask you?
Is there certain
Decisions to.
words that it didn't
Okay,
say-
everybody, here we go.
I didn't see that place where it says.
I don't care what y'all say. These are good. The caramel, the candy corns. The candy corns are good. I don't care what people say. My whippy hates them.
Yes.
Oh yes. Zebra bars.
The food finished.
You want a real scorpion sucker, honey?
No.
Look. No sense of adventure. All right, well, I think we are almost finished with our candy shopping and Sweet Tooth.
Excuse me, can I get one of these Irish cream ones?
Of course. Did you want the milk or dark?
Let me do dark.
Are you ready to check out?
Yeah,
What was that one?
Irish cream.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Was this yours?
These are ours. Oh. All right, everybody. I hope y'all had fun walking around the store with us. This place has been here for over 30 years. If you got your Sweet Tooth on, please come and visit. I'll put a link in the description down below. My wife wants one of these pedal cars up here. Please do like and subscribe. It does mean a lot to us. And there's my wife. She wants a pedal car. She wants a plane. You want that one?
Yeah.
To ride around the apartment complex?
Yeah.
Did
Okay.
you hear us, sir?
All right. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoy this video.